Let's whip up. So we went to the grocery store, picked up a chuck roast, and we wanted to whip up in the kitchen. So I have our chuck roast here. Gonna whip up with some, oh my gosh. Also combine some taco fire as well. Both of those spice blends are available on our website, whipupking.com. But as you can see in the video, just rubbing in the spice on the chuck roast and combining those flavors to elevate. Now we're gonna sear it up to kind of get a nice little crust on both sides. Now we're gonna turn it. All that flavor is building in the bottom of the pan as well. Here's our veggies, some onions, carrots, peppers, some jalapeno. As you can see, we're whipping up in the kitchen. Gonna stir that around. Try to grab as much of that flavor from the bottom of the pan as we can. And we're gonna put these veggies on the side and on to the next process, which is removing the veggies and now putting the meat back into the pan. I'm gonna elevate it even more. One of my favorite Pinots is flowers. So we enjoyed some flowers during this whipping up session.
Please tell me if this is good enough.
Just taste a little bit.
It's 2022.
And we're gonna incorporate it into our cooking. Hey, if you can drink with it, you can whip up with it.
Yeah, we can.
So we're adding some to our pot with the chuck roast. Just enough, not too much. You just want just the essence of that wine flavor. Incorporation with the Wolf spice blends. As you can see, our veggies right there, we layer it on top. Also add a little bit more broth. Let it simmer, let it go. Put the top on, and we'll be back to check on it. About 40 minutes. Come back, flip it around.
Bang bang Niner gang.
And then it should be nice and tender and ready to go. It's your preference. If you want it more broken down, you can cook it longer. This one we chose to do on the stovetop, and came out good. We ended up making chopped beef sandwiches. You can also have it with some potatoes, roasted or boiled, or we had some potatoes actually in the pot with the chuck roast, so we enjoyed those. But yeah, that's our experience. You need flavor, go to whipupking.com, pick 4, we'll ship it to you for free.